Do you know what I really, really love? I love when I can find a new method of driving traffic or making sales. And I found such a thing. It's called Tagzmania. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the very few people who can pull on this successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Well, look, you know what? I like the hat. Okay. You can go without it if you want, but I like my hats. So I'm going to keep wearing one and you do whatever you got to do. Okay. Seriously. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, I don't like crap. I don't think most people like crap. Okay, you may like it. That's okay. Go ahead, like it all you like. But these people don't want it. I don't want it, so we're not going to talk about it anyway. But seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my head to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Look, Liz, I used to be in New Yorker like you, but I'm kind of leading a more laid back life now. I live in Pennsylvania now. I'm very happy here. Okay, you can lay off with the thing about the entrepreneur. I thank you. It's very nice, but lay off a little bit. Okay, seriously. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Tagzmania. This is a new course from my friend Dawud Islam. Now, Dawud puts out a lot of content. Some of them are pretty boring. Some of them are really amazing, like this one. Now, in this particular case, he's got three different things here. The basic product is Tagzmania. You can see I've been watching the whole thing about how to use hashtags. Really exciting stuff. It teaches you why and how to use hashtags to make your stuff pop on social media, and it really does work. I'm really, really impressed with this. Now, there are two other things here. There's also Links Mania, which is really cool. This is one of the upgrades. It's going to teach you a special website that you can actually go and get links on for free in order to be able to build your own links up. And then there's Email Mania, which it's good. Don't get me wrong. I liked Email Mania. I thought it was a good course. It wasn't as exciting to me as the other two, just because there's a lot of this stuff here is stuff I know about already. But if you don't know about it, it's great. Now, I do have a custom bonus for everything here. So first of all, pick up Tagzmania, and I'm going to give you PLR to 10 of my own courses. Now, why is this a big deal? It's only 10 courses, right? Well, here's why it's a big deal, because you get to mention my name, which is a very, very big deal. Most of the time when you buy PLR, first of all, that PLR is strong. Let's just get that out of the way. This is stuff that I actually created for sale. So it's not junk, it's high quality videos that you can actually sell and be proud of selling. But what's more important, I am a six-figure marketer, not to toot my own horn, but as I mentioned in previous videos, we just bought a house. I bought myself a nice little coupe, an Infinity. Okay, and I know that some people in our industry are bragging about buying a Lambo. I don't feel the need to be quite that flashy, and frankly, for as much as I have to drive, a Lambo would be overkill. But a nice little coupe, an Infinity, is a nice car. And we have a beautiful, beautiful house that we're currently renovating. I'm really excited about living here. And, the bottom line is that I am successful in this industry. And I've been successful for a while now. And being able to use my name to say, hey, you know what? I'm not just giving you some random piece of crap that I downloaded from the internet somewhere. This is something by Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. This is a guy who knows how to do marketing. Being able to say that you're giving that away, that's a really, really big deal. Now, pick up any upgrade to Tagzmania. And I'm also going to give you my brand new seven video course, which is titled the IM FAQ, the Internet Marketing Frequently Asked Questions. You're going to get PLR to that as well, so you can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. Okay. Now, if specifically if you pick up Email Mania, then I'm going to give you a set of 100 email pre-written emails that you can use for your own stuff. So basically, that's only specifically if you pick up Email Mania, you'll see that in the bonus area in order to get that. So basically, to recap, pick up just Tagzmania, which is $9.95. So it's cheap. You're going to get 10 courses. So basically, less than $1 a piece that you can actually use my name in order to market them, which is a very, very big deal. Okay, pick up any upgrade. You're also going to get the IMFAQ. Pick up the Email Mania upgrade specifically, and I'm going to give you 100 additional emails that you can use to buy, sell stuff, whatever. They're pre-written emails that I've used personally that made me tens of thousands of dollars. So you're going to get them for free. Okay, so this if I'm going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Not. Yeah, seriously, huge tip of the hat. I'm very excited about this. Grab this one, you're going to love it.